Hey YouTube, what's up? Today we're going to try this STP Air-Con Cleaner thing. I got this off Amazon, and this claims that you just leave this in your vehicle for like 10 minutes with your AC on, and then it can kill your odors in the car and bacteria and all. So we're going to give this a shot and see what can it do for our car. And this is my 2008 Trailblazer. I guess you can hear the roaring sound. That's because of the muffler that I've got on it. I removed the stock resonator and I've got the muffler on, so it makes a lot of noise. Right now it has a little bit of odors in the car, so we're gonna try the STP Auto Air-Con Cleaner. So what it's like 150 is like you put this behind the passenger seat, and you pull the knob and then turn on the AC for 10 minutes, and then it should do its thing. So we're gonna give it a shot and see how this thing really works out. This is on my 2008 Trailblazer. Alright, so you gotta shake this well before you put it in. So you gotta shake. Alright, so Alright, so what you got to do is bring up your seat all the way up to the front, like so. So you've got enough space at the back. I don't know, this is what they say you gotta do. And then you turn on the aircon to full. That's what we're gonna do now. So we've got enough heat on the car. Turn on the AC to full 5. And then once we shake it, we place it here in the center, and then we make it work. Like so. And you close the door. Now you let it do its thing for like 10 minutes. We can't see nothing. So it's like, it's spraying, the can is spraying in the car, and you've got the AC on. So what it does, it just makes everything work. Clears the AC, I guess. That's what they claim, but we wouldn't know until 10 minutes is over. So I'm gonna pause the video and come back again in 10 minutes. I'm gonna see if the can really, pump up 10 minutes worth of fumes. I'm not sure. Let this work and I'll come back. I think you guys can see, there, the bottle, it does spray, it's going on. Let's see. Well, new update, it looks like the can has stopped. It's not spraying anymore. So like it worked for like about max 2 minutes, I think, not 10. So what they mean is that you just leave the car closed and let the can spray the 2 minutes of fumes, and then it just the AC circulates just in the car. I think that's what they meant. They never meant for the can to actually spray for actual 10 minutes. All right, guys. So we across the 10 minutes mark. It's almost like 12 minutes. So it says remove the can. Can is empty. Then it says you have to leave the doors open. So let the fumes out, whatever is inside. The car does smell good, I can feel it. Leave the doors open. It is a strong scent, so we have to see how long it stays in. We leave the door open. I can, really feel the car smells good, but for how long, that is the thing. So we're gonna leave the doors open and everything for like another 5 minutes, and then we will see. Alright, so we're 5 minutes in, keeping the door open and letting the extra fumes out. And even from far away from here, I mean all over, I can actually smell the scent that was in. So it smells good. Even I can, the whole area is scented. So it looks like that this thing has done its work, but we'll only know after like in a day or two, couple of days, and see how does the scent holds up. We're gonna close all the doors and go in, sit in the vehicle for a minute, see how does it smell. Okay, lower the aircon. Now it does feel refreshing. The scent is still there. I've read online, people have left reviews that the scent is very, very strong, but I don't feel that. It's very smooth and it's soft. It's not as hard as people have reviewed it for. I can really smell the mold or mold smell that I had in the vehicle is not there anymore. But this could be because I've just done it. So we'll have to check, like maybe tomorrow, day after tomorrow, give it a day or two, couple of days, and see if this fresh scent stays, or it just like any other what you can say car perfumes, it just vanishes over time. But that will be only known once we give this car a couple of days to work. Now this is a very refreshing scent. It does feel, I don't know how to express it, but it is very good. It's nothing like a fresh scent, but it's very, very soft. And the AC is working. It is supposed to clear the AC smells that it has, but right now everything is fine. So I'll post another review or a follow-up video in a couple of days and let you guys know if this thing really held up and kept the car fresh, or it was just a temporary thing which vanishes in a day or two. So follow the video and you will know in a couple of days how this thing really is and if it's worth the buy or not. Thank you.